Good morning and thank you for joining us for Friday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Gold dropped to a two-week low, pressured by signals of softening trade tensions and a holiday in top consumer China, while focus was also on today's US payrolls report to gauge the economic outlook. US stocks rallied with the Dow and S&P 500 posting their 8th straight session of gains after strong results from megacaps Microsoft and Meta eased concerns about artificial intelligence spending. Coinbase has announced it will suspend trading of the Move token, the native cryptocurrency of the Movement Layer 2 blockchain protocol, effective on May the 15th. Coinbase cited the token's failure to meet its listing standards, sending the price down over 14%.
The euro-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.
Your trusted choice in online trading.